Now for the delicious review of Prickles. And they're my favorite. They're my favorite, most favorite. Yeah. And the most prettiest one. But it will look, it's red, but it's orange when you see it in real. When it's dark, it's red. And I already know they're yummy. And right now, this is my most favorite, number 3 food. It's junk food. This is really junk food. And right now, this is a terrific, yummy one. Look. You will see it in different. When it's upside down, you can see it in real. But that's not something else. This is still a pea. And Prickles are my most favorite number 3 food. But it's junk food. You can only eat it a little bit. Junk food, you only eat a little bit. Because that's what I do. You know that I am the girl who eats junk food? I really do. I thought there was M&M's on the table.
Where is it? Did Kuya take it? Maybe you should ask him.
I better ask my brother if he has my M&M's. Chocolate. I got that's better. And you know what? This is special to eat. M&M's are new. And it says here, you picked the new color mix. You only mix it in your mouth. You mix it in your mouth. It's M&M mix. You mix it in your mouth. That's chewing it. Chewing it, it tastes good. And I already tried it. I'm just going to show you the colors. So, this is the bluish green, which is so pretty. Here's the purple M&M. Here's the green M&M. And here's the blue M&M. It's so pretty. They're so pretty. And there's a pink one too. That's just a crack. Here's the pink one that has a crack. This pink one has a crack. And there's also the regular one. Here's the red one. See that? It's in all the other M&Ms. We're gonna read the back. So, it says, M&M's bend and color go hand in hand. In 2012, we gave our Facebook fans the chance to create and bend new report. And new mix of colors. Our friends reported and we discovered those of votes, the chat and the winning mix is right here. Enjoy and be sure to like us at facebook.com. And
You're looking for a Jay?
to keep
You just ate.
up with all the
Then eat some
colorful
more.
fun. This is my favorite. I just got it yesterday. And the other chocolate I got yesterday too. Dad, no looking. And I'm really 5 years old. I mean, 5 years past 6 years old. I keep mixing them up because my birthday wasn't far away from this day. It's not almost my birthday. This is June and my birthday is May 26th. And that is my favorite day. May 26th, I couldn't wait. I was in school that year, but today is Saturday. And yesterday I didn't have school. And Thursday was my last day of school. So Bye. I hope you enjoyed.